funny guy.
Can't say the same for you.
Impudent brat. Who do you think you're talking to?
Not a comedian, I'll tell you that.
Shut your mouth!
The real Batman never talked to you much, did he? That's probably why you were so fixated on him.
Don't play psychoanalyst with me, boy.
Oh, I don't need a degree to figure you out. The real reason you kept coming back was you never got a laugh out of the old man.
I'm not hearing this.
Get a clue, Clowny. He's got no sense of humor. He wouldn't know a good joke if it bit him in the cape. Not that you ever had a good joke.
Shut up!
I mean, joy buzzers, squirting flowers, lane. Where's the A material? Make a face, drop your pants, something.
Show yourself.
You make me laugh, but only because I think you're kind of pathetic.
Stop that!
So you fell in a tank of acid, got your skin bleached, and then decided to become a supervillain. What? You couldn't get work as a rodeo clown?
Emotional, damn it!
Don't you dare laugh at me!